Jeep is back, and it's not holding anything back. After bringing back the Cherokee and revamping the Grand Wagoneer, the brand has turned its full attention to its most beloved SUV, the Grand Cherokee. And for 2026, this icon gets one of its biggest updates yet. So what's new? What's improved? And is it still the king of the off-road meets luxury segment? Stick around, because we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's start with what you'll notice first, the design. The 2026 Grand Cherokee doesn't throw away its signature bold look, but Jeep has given it a sleek refresh. Up front, you'll find a classic 7-slot grille, now framed with sharper lines and more aggressive detailing. Move to the rear, and there's a redesigned rear bumper that adds a modern touch without losing that rugged DNA. And for those who love a splash of personality, Jeep is expanding the color options. The 2026 model now comes in copper chino, fathom blue, and steel blue, all brand new shades that add elegance and adventure to the lineup. Step inside, and this is where the magic really happens. Jeep calls it a familiar but updated interior, and that's exactly what it feels like. There's a revised dashboard and an all-new 12.3-inch infotainment system, a massive leap from the old 8.4 and 10.1-inch setups. The center stack is cleaner, more intuitive, and features new switchgear that give the cabin a more premium, tech-forward vibe. Jeep has also simplified the trim lineup, now available in Laredo, Limited, and Summit trims. But don't be fooled. There's a long list of customization packages, especially if you're eyeing the Grand Cherokee 4 XC, which comes in Limited, Summit, and Trailhawk variants. The base Laredo model now gets a classy touch with new 18-inch wheels, chrome accents, and a suite of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear crosspath detection, and active lane management. Move up the ladder, and the Grand Cherokee transforms into a true luxury cruiser. The higher-end trims offer a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, a 9-speaker Alpine premium audio system, and even heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats wrapped in Napa or Palermo leather. And if you're a true audiophile, you'll love the available 19-speaker Macintosh audio system. It's like having a concert hall on wheels. Now, let's talk power, because what a Jeep without muscle. The 2026 Grand Cherokee sticks with the reliable 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, pushing out 293 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. Solid, smooth, and proven, but Jeep has a surprise in store. Select trims now come with an all-new 2.0-liter Hurricane 4 turbo engine featuring turbulent jet ignition technology. This engine packs a punch with 324 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque, making it both powerful and efficient. Jeep claims a best-in-class driving range of 506 miles, 814 kilometers, and a towing capacity of 6,200 pounds, 2,812 kilograms. That's impressive for an SUV of this size. But if efficiency is your top priority, meet the Grand Cherokee 4 XC, Jeep's plug-in hybrid powerhouse. It combines a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with a 17.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack and an 8-speed automatic transmission, featuring an integrated electric motor. The result? A combined 375 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. That's more power than the V6, with the added benefit of silent, zero-emission electric driving when you want it. So what's the takeaway? The 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee may not look radically different at first glance, but underneath the surface, Jeep has made smart, meaningful upgrades, from the improved tech and luxurious interiors to the new turbo and hybrid engines. It's still rugged enough to handle your weekend trails, yet refined enough to turn heads in the city. With the 2026 model hitting dealerships later this year, pricing details are still under wraps. But one thing's clear. The Grand Cherokee continues to be a benchmark for blending off-road power with premium comfort. So, what do you think of the new 2026 Grand Cherokee? Is this the perfect mix of power and luxury, or are you waiting for something even bigger from Jeep? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth car reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next drive.